Hi my stitching friends! Welcome back to another video. This is a quick one, it's an announcement. This month I have decided to have fun embroidering festive holiday scenes. For the month of December I have decided to make 24 videos in the style of advent calendar. Every day I will be stitching one element from this wonderful embroidery design. It's a great opportunity for you to give yourself a reason to embroider at least 1 hour or less. Every day something simple, something fun and something festive. So for the month of December, I'm going to be having quick short videos where I'm going to be showing how to embroider each element. They are going to be quick and easy, nothing to stress about. So as I prepare to get those videos, all you're going to need is to transfer the pattern to the fabric and choose your threads. You can download this pattern for free from the link in the video description below. In this free pattern, you will get an outline for 8 and 10 inches hoop and instructions for different ways of pattern transferring. Feel free to share this video and link to this free pattern subscription with your stitching friends. So the picture you see on the left and on the right, this is an approximate color palette for blue and white fabrics. Your color palette can be different from mine. Feel free to use any colors you want. And you can also use different fabric color. I really like seeing how you guys choose your own fabric and thread colors. Your projects look so different and fun. If you're a beginner, you can keep it easy and stitch only outlines. Or if you're an experienced embroiderer, you can add as many details as you want. You can use any kind of stitches or techniques. Any kind of threads, like metallics or variated. Just let your imagination flow and make your own version. You can embellish it with beads and sequins, felt and ribbons. The main goal is to enjoy the process. I'm very excited to do this. There is no exact order. I will follow my inspiration and choose the objects as I go. You can suggest on the comments below which elements should I choose first, and maybe I'll decide from that. Please make sure you help out my channel by liking this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell to not miss any of my new videos. Comment below and let me know if you will take a part in this stitch along and what are your favorite objects from this design. So just follow along my short videos. They will appear in the special playlist I created for this project. You will find the link in the video description below and in the pinned comment. Also make sure you follow me on Instagram and tag me when posting on your stories or posts. I will try to repost as much as I can. And then I add a final highlight in my profile with all of your finished pieces. My patrons already have this pattern and for them I will be sharing my illustrations with stitching instructions as I go, and by the end of this project I will share a big video for my patrons with my full stitching process without speed up. So if you are interested to get those additional instructions and educational materials, come join my stitching club on Patreon. Once you join, you will get access to not only this project but 100 more other embroidery designs and video courses I already have there. So see you on the first short video of my advent calendar series. Have a wonderful day, bye guys!